All right, guys. So really quickly, let me go ahead and share my screen since we're gonna have a couple of, I'm gonna go over a couple of things that we need to go over. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, great. So I posted a few things for you guys. So this is a session today, the distance learning no, it's this one right here, sorry. This one right here, okay? So Zoom session, this is not your right video, sorry. Let me go to here again. Zoom session, 9 to 9:30. Okay, so I naturally do blah, blah, blah by the 10th. This is the, okay, so I don't think I updated this, but the I naturally do, yeah, on the 10th. So this is done. Okay, so we don't have to deal with this anymore. But we finished yesterday. That's the Global Climate Change project. So I naturally do on the 10th. That's this Sunday by 11:59 p.m. So please don't forget to do so, to submit something before the time for full grade. And we will have one more after that. So what I posted for Monday for you guys, okay? So there's a video link that I gave you there. Watch it. It's about a 7-minute video or so, 3 to 7 minutes. The only thing you need to do is write down 5 facts or points, 5 things you gather from the video. Full sentences, of course, is due next Friday, the 15th. Okay, so it's not due that same day. I will give you the whole week since some of us are, or some of you are actually testing for AP exams. So we're gonna make it kind of like prolong the assignment for the whole week, although it's very short. So just kill it off before Friday, okay? Friday the 15th by 8 a.m. It will count as 2 grades though, so don't miss it because it will heavily affect your grade if you don't do it. And if you don't do it, of course, if you submit after the time, it's 1 less letter grade. A day after that, 2 letter grades, and so forth. Okay, so the least you can, I will give you salary is an F, but it's only if you submit about 3 days late or so. So please do so on time. So this is a new date for the iNaturalist, the 24th. That's the last one. Okay, so you have 2 weeks for that. And if you notice here, the distance lesson 17 and 18, so I put them together, is again for Monday and for Wednesday. So next Friday, we will have another Zoom session. We will not discuss this. I was supposed to fix it, but I didn't. We will discuss what's further, or no, actually, yes, we will discuss the iNaturalist that's due this Sunday, okay? So on Zoom next Friday, we will discuss iNaturalist, okay? The iNaturalist submission, again, still due on the 24th, so it's a week after that. And I submitted for the following week after next. Same story, since there's still AP testing going, we're gonna keep it marginal. Again, I have 2 lessons in one, lesson 20, 21 for the 18th and the 20th. Again, watch, this is a very fun video to watch. Since we were supposed to be covering oceans, I'm kind of gearing it towards oceans. Kind of sucks that we couldn't, but it is what it is. Okay, so write down 5 facts, points about this video. Again, due on the 22nd, that's the Friday of that week. Again, iNaturalist due on the 4th, that's Sunday after. Okay, so there's a submission folder for this one right here, right on top of it. And for the previous one, also a submission folder there. Let me click on the submission folders real quickly. The instructions are the same for both. You're gonna submit a document, either PDF or Google Docs. Make sure I am able to read them. So if you're gonna do Google Docs, make sure you give me access. Otherwise, do it in PDF. I mean, you can save as PDF or print as PDF, and you will, and then submit the document. This is individual work. Both of them are individual work. Okay. So let me see if there's anything else. Okay, and the Friday after 2 weeks, We will have another Zoom session. Remember, it's every Friday. And we will have also the iNaturalist will be due the following Sunday. I have nothing for you after that. We will have 2 weeks of school after that one. And there will be one last assignment after that, which will make it count for the 2 weeks or so. I mean, we still have our Zoom Friday. I think that Friday prior to the last week is the last time we're meeting. It's also for a grade. So please try not to miss those sessions since they will count towards your grade anyway. You know, it's very marginal grade, but if you accumulate too many, it will start taking a toll on your grade. Okay, so that's pretty much everything regarding what's happening next week. Again, to reiterate, this is today. This is Monday. It comes for lesson 17, 18, the 11th and the 13th. Watch the video, 5 facts, submit right here. Remember, still iNaturalist due on the 24th. Then the following Friday, another Zoom session to discuss iNaturalist, same time as today. And then the following week after that, lesson 2021 is 5:18 on the 20th. That's a Monday and the Wednesday. Watch another video, 5 facts again, submit right here. Also, iNaturalist still doing the 24th, and then we'll have another distance learning Zoom session after that. Okay, so that's with what's happening in the next 2 weeks. Okay, so please do it in a timely manner. Remember, assignments as of next week and the following are going to be due on Fridays prior to 8 a.m. Okay, so you have the whole week to do so. You can still contact me. I will be sending reminds. I'm still available on Hangouts, available on Google Class, available on Remind. So if you want to do a quick chat, Hangouts is probably the best bet. Also, don't forget to sign in to your portal. Don't forget to sign into your portal for attendance purposes. Okay, do it more than once to make sure that it registers. Okay, having said that, I think I'm going to stop sharing my screen, but this is pretty much everything we need for the next 2 weeks. Okay, so only Zoom sessions on Fridays from now on. Still mandatory, you still need to be here. Okay, let me go ahead and stop sharing my screen. That's everything we needed for sharing the screen. And if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, what time is it? We are basically done. Okay, so please be on time next week, next Friday. But also make sure you submit your assignments. Okay, do it in a timely manner. I'll be sending reminds as usual. Okay. You have any questions? Now is the time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next Friday on the 15th, that's when I have my AP testing.
Okay. No. You don't worry. If you are testing, send me a message the previous night if you can. Okay. So okay. I know obviously you will be excused. Okay, for that Zoom meeting. So there's there's definitely no issue with that. But please let me know. Please send me a what a message on Remind or Hangouts or on a Google Class. Just the previous night, so I'll know to X you on not you but the grade on the grade book. Okay. Thank you for letting me know. And the same goes for everybody, okay? If you are not gonna be able to join on Friday because of AP testing or any other situation that you are aware of, please let me know ahead of time, okay? Let me know ahead of time. Okay, so having said that, I'm gonna stop recording, but don't go because there's a couple of people that join in. I think Nikki, you're one of them, so I can update my, my grades, okay? So okay. I'm going to stop recording now. Thank you, guys.